Okay, so jumping right into today's recipe, I'm making a sweet chili with a little kick of spice, sweet chili shrimp egg rolls. So the first thing I did was I butterflied my shrimp and I marinated them overnight with a little minced garlic, jalapeno, and cilantro. So now, right before I cook them, I'm gonna season them with a little black pepper, some cayenne pepper. This is where the kick comes in. I'm gonna add a little more later. Some garlic powder, smoked paprika, and a little Old Bay. Now, Old Bay, I don't know what's the hype about this because this is just seasoned salt, okay? So I'm only going to use just a little bit of it because Old Bay is really salty. So I'm going to season my shrimp. Then I'm just going to toss them up. Then I'm going to saute them. And then I'm ready to make my egg rolls and fry them up. And I'm also going to add a little sweet chili to my shrimp right before I cook them. I'm going to add some to cook the flavor into it, and then I'm going to add a little more after they are done. This is what the shrimp is looking like. Just sauteing it a little bit on each side. Okay, we are back. So my shrimp is mostly done. I didn't cook it all the way through because I'm going to fry these egg rolls and I don't want my shrimp to be tough. So now I'm just going to add a little bit more seasoning, some more of this sweet chili sauce, and to add that kick I was talking about, I'm going to add in just a little bit of sriracha because I do want it to be a little spicy. And we're just going to toss that together. And now we're going to make these egg rolls. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this Cabbage Slaw that I bought. And what I did with this, I just seasoned it with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm going to put a little of that in my egg roll. And I'm going to put, I'm thinking maybe 2 shrimp per egg roll. And I butterflied them because I was going to only use about 2 shrimp. So it could kind of be like it's a little more shrimp than it really is. Then I'm just going to seal the edges with water and roll them up. We might have to make a few adjustments to keep these sealed, but that's okay. So let me try it one more time. And boom. And the more you roll these egg rolls, the better they'll get. It seems like every time I make these, like the first couple are not that good, but you just play around with them and then, you know, they'll get together. So I'm going to continue these steps until all my egg rolls are made. Okay, now it's time to fry these egg rolls up, and if they burst open, it's okay because they're still gonna cook either way. I'm gonna do 2 at a time just so I won't overcrowd my pot. Okay, y'all, I was about to panic at first because I'm like, wait a minute, why is my egg rolls not getting brown? Because look at this. What is this? That is not supposed to look like that, but as y'all can see in the beginning, my grease was not hot enough. So now it is, and we all good because my egg rolls look like this now. Yes. So just want to pop in and let y'all know that, but we all good and we are almost done. Okay, now it's time to plate these egg rolls up, and I'm just gonna put them around this sauce that I got. And some of them, if they burst open, it's fine. We still gonna eat them anyway, right? Of course. Just gonna put them around the sauce like that. just like that. And I got one that I cut, and I think I'm gonna put it up there like that, just to show what it looks like in the inside. Or maybe not. Let me see, just like that. Then just garnish it with some green onion. Just throw the green onion up there a little bit. Like that. And then to finish it off, I'm gonna just squirt a little bit of sriracha on this one that is cut open. And here are the finished sriracha sweet chili shrimp egg rolls. Look at that. Look at that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description box for everything that I used down below.